Write true or false and justify your answer. If the height of the tower and the distance of the point of observation from its foot both are increased by 10%, then the angle of elevation of its top remains unchanged. Okay, this we can do without using trigonometry. Anyways, first thing is diagram, that though we can't miss out. So how do you draw the diagram? Draw the surrounding and the length should make sense. Find the point of observation and where the observation is made from. Join those points. So let's do those. So we just have a tower. We don't have anything in specific. So we'll just draw a small diagram. Reason being, we need to increase the length and all of that, is it not? So this is your tower and say the person is observing from this point to this point. So if I join that, we have this particular diagram. This is O, A, P. This is X, this is Y. Okay. And say we have the next scenario wherein everything is doubled, right? If the height of the tower and the distance of the point of observation from its foot means what? OA is also doubled. Not doubled, sorry, 10% increase. It doesn't matter whatever the increase is, but the increase is same throughout. Something like this, right? So we have something like this. Clearly I have drawn it in a way wherein it looks similar, is it not? So how can we prove it? How can we prove that? This is O itself. No, let me not do that. Okay, M and P. So this is 1.1 Y and this is 1.1 X. Yeah, how can we prove that this two, not this two, sorry, this angle is same as this angle? If this is theta and this is alpha, how can we prove that they are one and the same? So clearly it is it not? We can prove this using similarity, or we can use tan of theta and tan of alpha and show that they are one and the same. So you can do it in both the ways. It's left to you guys. If you want to write by SAS, these two triangles are similar, so alpha is equal to theta, or by finding tan of alpha over here, tan of theta over here, we can tell that alpha is equal to theta. Okay. So if the height of the tower and the distance of the point of observation from its foot both are increased by 10%, this you need to understand. See, this is your point of observation. Okay, right? From the foot of the tower, this is your foot of the tower. So if both the foot, distance, this two distance and this distance, this both are increased by 10%. If this is X and Y, this is 1.1 Y and 1.1 X, right? And the angle of elevation of the top of its top, right? This is the angle of elevation over here and over here of the top remains unchanged. Understood? So that's what you guys have to end up talking about. So again, we can use similarity or we can use tan and all of that in triangle OAB. Tan of theta, which is opposite by adjacent, is equal to X by Y. And next we have in triangle MPN, MN is X plus 10% of X. So this is 1.1 X. I'm just showing the calculation, not giving a chance to cut any kind of marks. NP is Y plus 10% of Y. So this is 1.1 Y. And so we have tan of alpha, which is equal to 1.1 Y divided by, sorry, oh, this is wrong. I thought I am writing this wrong. So this is Y by X. And this is 1.1 X. So this is nothing but Y by X. and this is same as tan of theta. And so we have, therefore, alpha is equal to theta. Hence, the statement is true. Okay, that's it.